Shakes the week right off of me. Feeling up.
What? Get out.
On the feeling of the heat.
Oh, that was you. I'm sorry. You won't like these. I know you wouldn't like it. Rocket. So this is Cowgirl Annie. I mean Western Girl. This is Cowgirl Annie.
Oh, okay.
She'll take it right out of your hand. I got a whole bucket here. They're gonna get them all.
Oh no, I dropped that one too.
Look at this.
Ah.
They won't, even if they bite you, it's like gumming you.
Oh.
I know it. And he looks like a dinosaur compared to these other ones.
They're so big.
So I'll work out for me. And when it does, never again accept defeat. Yeah, we don't hide, no. Just find the light in honesty. Cause I've never been good at telling stories. Yeah, we're gonna ride. We're gonna ride this wave until it breaks. We're gonna drive. Gonna drive, gonna drive, gonna drive all day. We're gonna ride. We're gonna ride this wave until it breaks. All I know, yeah, all I know.
Hi, ma'am.
Hi, your reservation?
Okay.
Camping?
Yes.
We have made it to Austin, Texas, specifically McKinney Falls State Park. Got a spot here. It's like a U-shaped pull-through. There's plenty of back-end spots around here too, but we're going to be traveling a couple days with those awesome humans, Tab and Ruth. We're going to follow them around for some time and finally get to meet them in person. So they're going to hang out here with us for a couple days and then on to points beyond Baton Rouge, Pensacola, Florida, maybe into Alabama. And then we'll probably see them again on the Appalachian Trail at some point. But excited to do some little caravanning again. It's been a while. But I'm going to get the rig cleaned up here and we'll get moving. Yo, Blair. What was the comment that I just heard?
Said I like the back hatch.
Oh, yeah? It's the first time we really had a chance to use it.
Yeah, it's nice out. There's a breeze. We're in the shade now. The sun is setting.
Hatch is open?
Hatch is open. You want to show off your cool shoes?
Oh, yeah, my Walmart specials.
Your flippy floppies?
Yeah.
They are a Walmart special.
We went to REI and they got some camping footwear, but it's like $800. So these were $10 at Walmart. So we got these.
I think the brand was Hoka.
Whatever they were.
Yeah.
Anyway, we're headed over across the way here to visit with Tab and Ruth. And we're going to give you a tour of their rig. Or they're going to give you a tour of their own rig. I'm just going to ask questions.
I'm going to hang back and have a drink.
Okay, let's do it.
Are they friendly?
Oh, yeah.
That's almost the exact same size as Scout.
Just like Scout. Except your face looks a little different. But otherwise, the rest of you looks good.
So we're friendly.
I do like the dark cabinets. They look good. I was worried that the dark would make it dark in here, but the light of the aluminum makes it really bright.
Well, so it was a little darker in here.
He took all the, all the window valves.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, it looks good.
Yeah.
No way. Okay.
A lot more aluminum.
Continue with your tour. I am thoroughly impressed.
All right, we're standing here with Tab and Ruth. Go ahead.
Hey, I'm Tab. This is my wife Ruth, and this is our 33-foot Airstream Classic.
Yeah, it looks really good. If you hadn't told me that you had removed the wall thing, what is that called? The valances. I wouldn't have picked up on that right away, but in a way you pick up on it because it just looks a little different and a little brighter than other models.
Whenever we're in a city, we use this website called GPS My City. You can load up all the attractions you want to see, and it gives you a walking map of where you need to go. Welcome to Austin, Blair. How's your trip so far?
Good.
Yeah?
We enjoyed a nice walk up to the Capitol from the riverfront.
It's right there. And Blair refuses to go in. I don't know why.
I've seen one, I've seen them all. I've seen like 3 state capitals. They all look the same, but a little different. And I've seen the U.S. Capitol, and that one trumps them all.
Trumps them all.
So I feel like I've seen enough.
Okay. But you're all going to go in the visitor center?
I am going to go on visitors.
Okay. Pepper and I are going to hang out.
Okay. Oh, can I have your wallet in case I need it?
Yo.
Hey.
What's up?
Much?
How's your Austin tour?
It's good.
Much of walking?
A bunch of walking.
How many miles did you get?
I don't know, I have to good track.
We got about 8 blocks off the... Pepper's being an ass.
Wants to go in the water so bad. I'm not putting her in that water.
There's cleaner over here.
Yeah, well, it's still dirty. She's gonna drink it all up and then she's gonna puke.
Pepper was here. So were we. I can wait no longer, Blair. Tell me the thoughts.
I haven't even eaten anything yet and it's not worth it. And it might just be my hangry talking.
It's definitely your hangry talking. You've been hungry for an hour and a half.
We got here at 11:20. They open at 11. They're open from 11 to 3. And we didn't even get to order until 1:25. We sat in line for 2 hours and 5 minutes. And if it was up to me, I would have left. The moment they told me, I still had an hour and a half to 2 hours to wait. And this is me just ranting. They don't even have, like, they ran out of everything but brisket. And we got there at 11:20. So there's still people in line that probably have 2 hours to wait. So they will be there until they close at 3 o'clock, if not 3:30. And they are out of everything. They're out of ribs. They were out of ribs when I went and got sauce.
Yeah.
They literally only have brisket left. And we got in
pinto
line
beans.
at 11:20.
And pinto beans. And potatoes.
Pinto beans.
And pickles.
No, it's not worth it. I don't know how it got such a good rap. It's probably good when the line was only 10 or 15 minutes, but it's not worth 2 hours.
Gotcha.
And I might just be hungry, but even if I'm just hungry, I shouldn't have to wait in line for 2 hours and 5 minutes for pulled pork when they don't even have pulled pork.
Yep.
They just have brisket. I didn't wait in line for 2 hours to get brisket. I waited in line for 2 hours to get pulled pork.
Thanks for the flamingo plate. And thank you, Kathy and Moises, for these gifts.
Oh, you. Ooh, pipe. Man, getting first dibs. What is this? I don't even know how to eat this. I need a fork. It is pretty good. It's not 2 hours in line good, but
No.
it is pretty good. Would you have gotten brisket if they were out of pulled pork? I mean, if they weren't out of pulled pork.
I don't mind brisket, but it's never my first choice.
That's probably why they run out of everything else. Piper, what do you have all over you? What does she have all over her?
Oh, cute.
Oh my goodness. Piper, one day you'll get it. You'll get it one day. That's fine. Man, you're not getting any better, Pipe. Oh, you caught that one. Good job. Ooh, we're getting better.
Back up, please. Sit.
She's so terrible. Piper, it's so terrible. The last one was so good. Let me watch all the others. No, it's so bad. Oh.
Blair finally allowed me to purchase something I've been wanting for a long time. Yeti bowls that match the Airstream.
What do you think? No cares given.
That's not how you say it.
That's how a dog says it.
That's how Piper says it.
Yep.
He got a much better start than getting hauled on through the rain. You betcha.
Blair, what are you watching?
What are you watching?
So you've seen Aston Martins, we've saw Camaros, Corvettes,
Interesting.
and Novas, and your final for Spectrads is a
Cars and
Jeep
tracks.
Ford Focus.
Well, Ford Focus
Ford
is winning
Focus is doing it all.
against a
Get out
Chevrolet.
of here.
And the announcer is quite entertaining.
It keeps raining, he better leave. He don't got to run.